My dear students, today I will discuss about matrices. So, matrices is the topic for today. This chapter is included in ICSE syllabus for class 10. Okay. Here are some points to be remembered. First of all, pause the video and note down the points I have shown at the starting of the video. Okay. Now, the first point is representation of matrix. The first point is representation of matrix. Here, name of the matrix is denoted by capital letter always. Okay, capital letter like A, like B, like C, like this. So this is the name of the matrix, and the matrix is enclosed by third bracket. Matrix is enclosed by third bracket. Okay, like this. This is the representation of matrix. This is how we can represent a matrix. Name of the matrix will be in capital letter and the matrix within the third bracket. So, point 1 clear. Next point, elements of the matrix. Let us consider a matrix A like this. Like this, and the numbers here is the elements of the matrix. These numbers are known as elements of the matrix, and in case of unknown number, here small letter is used like this. Here B, C, A, D. This is how we can represent the matrix also, and here the number of the matrix, that is elements of the matrix, are unknown, and the elements are represented in small letter. This point is very important. Now, row of the matrix. Row, in this example, we can see there are two rows. This one is row number 1, this one is row number 2. That is horizontal. Lines. This one number 1 row, this one number 2 row. This one is horizontal line, this one is horizontal line. So there are two numbers of rows. Okay, number of rows. Next, columns of the matrix. Here we can see the vertical lines we can draw through the elements of the matrix. This one first vertical line, this one second vertical line, this one third vertical line, and vertical lines are known as column. In this matrix or in matrix, vertical lines are known as column. Okay, so horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. Next, Next point, order of matrix. Order of matrix. Here we can see number of rows equal to 2 and number of columns equal to 1, 2, 3. So, order of this matrix, order of matrix equal to 2 into 3. Don't multiply 2 into 3. This is only representation. These 2 indicates in the matrix there are 2 numbers of rows, and these 3 indicates there are 3 number of columns. Okay, and if you multiply this one 2 into 3, then you will get the number of elements in the matrix, but don't multiply this one. Okay, this is order of matrix. This is order of matrix. Now next point, representation of elements of a matrix. Now suppose this one, this is row number 1 and column number 1, and the element and the element, these two, I am writing this matrix here again. Okay, matrix A equal to 2, 3, 6, -1, 0, 5. Okay, now let's see this element is represented by A11. This one is row number 1, second number is column number 1. So A11 is equal to 2 here. Now how can we represent these 3? A1, 2. This one is row number 1, this 2 is column number 2. So this is 3. Next 6. A1, 3. This one is 6. This is row number, this is column number. Next A, this one is row number 2. So 2, 1 is column number, 2 is row number here. This one is -1. Next A, 2, 2. This one is 0. Next one is A, row number 2, column number 3. Row number 2, column number 3. This one is 5. So in general, we can represent any element like this A, I, J. A, I, J. Here I is row number, J is column number. Okay, don't forget this one. This is the representation of elements in matrix. Here A means element for row number I, row number, and this one column number. This is the representation of elements. Now principal diagonal of matrix. Now principal diagonal of matrix. First of all, you have to learn the principal diagonal. This term is only applicable for square matrix, but Till now you don't know what is square matrix, just I am trying to explain. Let us consider a matrix like this one, 3 4 6 1 9 0 5 6 7, like this. This one is square matrix. This one is square matrix. Here number of row is 3 and number of column also 3 into 3. So this type of matrix is known as square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix. Okay. So I have told that now I am going to discuss principal diagonal of matrix. This one is principal diagonal of matrix. Principal diagonal, that is from left top to right bottom. This one is the principal diagonal of matrix. And the element 3, 9 and 7 here in this matrix, 3, 9 and 7 are the elements of principal diagonal. This is principal diagonal, and always remember this term principal diagonal is only and only related to square matrix. Okay, square matrix. Now my next point, row matrix. Row matrix. So now I will discuss about row matrix. Let us consider a matrix like this: A equal to 0, 5, minus 9. So there number of row is 1 and number of column is 3, and the order of this matrix is 1 into 3. I have already discussed it. Now these types of matrix are known as row matrix. Since it is like a row, so it is known as row matrix, and the order of this matrix is 1 into 3. 1 represents number of row, 3 representing number of column. Next topic, column matrix. Now consider matrix B. This one like this: 7, 6, 1. This one. Here number of row is 3 and number of column is 1. So order of this matrix is 3 into 1. This type of matrix like this, a column, this matrix is similar to a column. So this type of matrix is known as column matrix. Column matrix. Okay. Next, null matrix. Null matrix means all the elements of the matrix will be 0. So any kinds of matrix, row matrix or column matrix or square matrix, anyone, if the all elements of the matrix is 0, then it is known as null matrix or zero matrix. This one may be like this, this one may be like this, all the matrix are here is known as null matrix. Now, next point is identity matrix. Identity matrix is represented by capital I. Capital I. When you see this capital I, you write this type of matrix like this. First of all, I matrix must be a square matrix like this. Square matrix. Square matrix, but principal diagonal must be 1. Principal diagonal must be 1. This type of matrix is known as identity matrix. So, a square matrix in which all the elements of principal diagonal is 1 and all other elements are 0 is known as identity matrix. Here other elements 0. I am giving another example for identity matrix. So, first property, it is must a square matrix, that is number of row and number of columns are same. This one is square matrix, condition 1. Next, all the elements are 0 except principal diagonal. All the elements are 0 except principal diagonal. Second condition, and elements of principal diagonals are 1. So, there are 3 conditions for identity matrix. Number 1, the matrix must be square matrix. Elements of the principal diagonal must be 1 and other elements must be 0. This one is identity matrix. Now my point is addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. First of all, addition of matrix is possible only for the same order of matrices. Only for same order of matrices. I have already taught what is the order of matrices. So, addition is possible only for same order of matrices. Now, I am giving an example. Matrix A, suppose matrix A like this. 2, 3, minus 5, 7. 2, 3, minus 5, 7. And matrix B equal to 4, 6, 2, minus 11. So, order of this matrix 2 into 2. Order of this matrix 2 into 2. So, addition is possible. So, addition is possible. So, we can now add A plus B. So, we can now add A and B with sign plus. Now, 2, 3, minus 5, 7 plus 4, 6, 2, minus 11. Then, now 2 plus 4, similar position, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 6, 9, minus 5 plus 2, minus 3, 7 minus 11, minus 4. This is how we can add two same ordered matrix. And similar rule for subtraction. Similar rule for subtraction. When I will subtract A minus B like this, B from A, that is A minus B, then 2 minus 4, 3 minus 6, minus 5 minus 2, 7 minus 11. This is how we can subtract matrices also. Now multiplication of matrix. This one is the vital part for matrix. Before discussing the multiplication of matrix, I want to say division of matrix, it is not possible. Division of matrix is not possible or it is invalid. So multiplication of matrix two types. There are two types of multiplication of matrices. Number one, matrix with a number. So taking an example like this, first of all consider a matrix 2, 3, minus 5, 7. Now 5A equal to 5 into 2, 3, minus 5, 7. Next 5 to be multiplied with all the elements. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are minus 25, 35. This is the product of multiplication. Okay, this is the product of multiplication. Now second type. What is the second type? Number 2, matrix with another matrix. Matrix with another matrix. This topic is somewhat long, so I am not discussing here, just I am sending another video and then this topic will be discussed. Okay.